Hey YouTube, welcome back my another video in which I am showing you that how can we make a floor plan or draft our floor plan in AutoCAD. So in this video, in previous video we have discussed that how can we make these lines or wall lines, and how can we trim or make these plot areas in our AutoCAD. Now in this video I will show you that how can we make this type of windows and doors, and even yeah, obviously I will also show you that how can we put furniture layouts or make a furniture layout for this plan. So for this, now let's get started. So first we will see that this I will start from here by this room. So for this room, you can see that here is a window, or you can see this is a attached door with window. So for this, this window is of 3 feet. So here I am just here I'm just taking a mid point and make a line. You can draw line by pressing the L enter, which is a shortcut of line. And now I am just making a door of 3 feet. So for 3 feet door we have to take offset of this line, which is O enter enter. You can press O double enter for the offset of any line. And now just click on that line, and I will make a 1 foot 6 inches line offset from here, and 1 foot 6 inches offset from left side. You can see this is our door part. Now after door part we have to make window. You can see this is a attachable window with the door. So for making attachable window, I am just taking an offset of 3 feet. You can press O double enter and press on this line, and just press the dimension of 3 feet. You can see this is our window, and this is our door. So for making windows we have to just press make a window layer. So here we have already we already have a window layer. So I'm just going, you can go here from a window layer. Now I'm just making a rectangle of this part. Now I'm just making another line. Okay, so this is our window. Now just copy it from here, and copy it from here and place it in the middle of this line. You can see this is our window part. I will trim the wall line. So this is our window. Again I am trimming here. For trimming, just press TR double enter and trim that line. And now copy the, I am just copying this window from here. After making a window, you can make door for this area. So you can also put door from pressing the control 3. If you press control 3, you can see there is a lot of imperial and the matrix samples are opens here. Now I just want a door in plan. So door in plan is here. I will just a door in plan. Okay, so I just do some mistake. Control 3, and I will pick this from the metric sample. As you can see, this is very big in size, so I'm just scaling it. And I will also change its angle. I just want it open in at 90 degrees. So for this you can click on this triangle and click here open at 90 degree. You can see this is our door layer. Now I am just going to move it from here. So for moving any material in AutoCAD, just press M enter and select this part which you want to move. Now you can see this door is small in size, and I just want to make it a full door. So for this we are just going to we have to just do scale it. So for scaling this, just press SC, enter, and click on this door, and you can scale it like this. So you can see, but actually this door is a sliding door, so I don't think this will be okay. I'm just going to here make a simple line which gives the sign of sliding door like this. Now again, in this area we can see our slide windows and doors are fitted. Now again, after this we have to make this door from here. So for this you can just extend this line and take offset of this line of 6 inches. Again take offset of 3 feet. Now trim it. You can see this is our door opening is created. Here is our door opening is created. Now for the toilet area we have to make a door like this, you can see. So for this, just extend this line and make an offset of 2 feet 6 inches, because I just want my washroom door will be lesser than the main entry door. So you can see, after this I'm just going to copy it. So for this copy this door, just press CO, enter, and click on this and copy it. You can see this is open from this side, but I just want it to open from another side. So for this, just mirror it. So mirroring any object in AutoCAD, you have to just press MI, enter for the shortcut of mirror, and click on that object and press one point and the other point. Make sure your ortho is on, because if your ortho is not on, it will be take another angle other than 90 degree. I just want only one copy of this, so I am just pressing yes. Now I am just moving it by pressing M, enter, and click on this point and just click here. You can see my door is bigger than the bigger than my opening, so I am just going to here scale it. So for scaling, just press SC, enter, and click on this point and this point. You can see my door is created. Now from here, for here, just copy this door and move it here. Now you can see this is my door. Now I will this is on this direction, but I just want in on horizontal direction. So for making this horizontal direction, I am just going to rotate this. So for rotating any object in AutoCAD, you have to press RO, enter, and click on that door, and then press enter, and make sure your ortho is on. Then it will be rotate it on 90 degree. After rotating this, just move this door from here to here. You can see this is how you can use your doors. So after making these doors and this door, we have to make this ventilator, which is opens here in shaft. So for this we have to just make, firstly I will make the ventilator like this, and I will do to light in color. So for lighting in color, you can use from here grid. Just select this line and go to the grid. You can see this will be again this is on ground floor, so I am just going to make it as a hatch. After this I will just make a ventilator. So for making ventilator, I am just going to click a line, draw a line, which is which shortcut is L, enter. I will go to the window layer and O, enter. 1 feet 6 inches, enter. 1 feet 6 inches, enter. No, I think my ventilator will be 2 feet only. So I will take offset of 1 feet from both side, from left side and the right side, and then I will trim it. No, after trimming, just make a mid line and make offset of it, and I will erase the center line. Now you can see this is of in hatch layer or grid layer, and I just want, this is a ventilation portion, so I just want it in a wall layer. So for making wall layer, you can do one thing, like just click on it and go to the from here to wall layer. You can also make this in wall layer by using a shortcut command which is known as match property. So for using match property, you have to click on MA, enter, then click on the line which you want to make that line another line, so and click on the line. You can see this is a wall in hatch line in previous, and now this is in wall line. I just want to make like this. So this is my ventilator. After making ventilator, in this you have to also draw another ventilator on this, so I am just going to copy this ventilator from here to here. So for this, just do a blue selection and press CO, enter, and click on this point and make sure your ortho is on and just copy it from here. You can see here our ventilator is made. Now I have to make a door on this toilet. So for making this toilet, we have to show, here is our door portion. So for this, just extend this line. So I am just pressing EX, enter, enter, and click on here, and O, enter, enter, and take a offset of 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6 inches, and then trim it. You can see our door opening is made. Now we have to just copy this door from here to here, so that our door will be finished. So for this, CO, enter, and click here and copy it from here and place it here. You can see this is in upper side. I just want it in lower down side. So for this, just mirror it. So in AutoCAD, mirroring any object, you have to press MI, enter, and click here, and then click on one point and the other point. Make sure your ortho is on, so that it will be mirroring it on a 90-degree. Then yes, and then move it. You can see our washroom door is also made. Now after making washroom door, you can see this is our balcony portion, this is our balcony portion for this room, this is balcony portion for this room. So we have to make entry in this area and this area also. So for this, we have to do just firstly do to make entry from here. So I will just see, this is somewhere like this area. So I'm just off taking offset of this point and 3 feet offset and trim it. Now I will just copy this door from here to here, so that it will be finished. So for copying any object, you have to press CO, enter, then click on that object which you have to copy, and then place it here. You can see our door is completed. Now we have to make here some doors or sliding door or window like this. You can see. So this is 5 feet wide window, I think. Yeah, 6 feet wide windows and door. So we have to for making this, just extend it and click on offset tool, O double enter, and take an offset of 3 feet for door, and then again take an offset of 6 feet for windows. So for after this, just trim this and this. You can see. So firstly, we will make a door. This is a, sliding door, so I'm just going to make a line. After this, I'm just going to copy this window and place it here, and then I will extend these lines. So for copying, press C or enter and place it here. This is of 4 feet 5 inches, which I have done some mistake, so I will make it of 9 inches. So for this, O double enter and 9 enter. This is my door, sorry, wall, and I will move it on the upper side. You can see now I will fillet, do fillet command, use fillet command to make this. Again F enter for fillet command, and just so you can see this is my rectangle and I just want to make it continuing. So for this, just click on this rectangle and click on the mid vertex, or you can see line, and just drag it from here to here. So in this way your continuing window is made. Now we have to just extend this line so that your window will be ready. So for extending, just press on X double enter, and you can make your windows like this. After making windows here, I will make door from here for this toilet. So for making a door for this toilet, you can see this is like this. So I will just extending this line. After extending, just take offset of 3 feet and trim it. Now I will copy. So this is a toilet now, so we will make a door of 3 feet not, we will make a door of 2 feet 6 inches and trim it. And now I will move this door from here to here. You can see my opening is smaller than the door, so I will scale to make it similar size. For scaling anything, just press SC enter and press on that object and just scale it. You can see your door is ready. After this area, I will trim this. So I will do some detailing works so that it can look better. Okay, so after this room, I will work on this room. You can see here is like this something. Firstly, I will make a ventilator for this washroom. So for this, I'm just taking a line in the mid of the wall, and then taking offset of 1 foot from left side and 1 foot from right side. After taking offset, just make a line and take offset of 1 inches from upper side and 1 inches from lower side, and then delete it. You can see your ventilator is ready. Now for this area we have to make a door and window. So for this, just extend it and take an offset of 3 feet for door, and then take an offset of 6 feet for windows, and then trim it. Just make a simple line in for sliding door, and then copy this window for the hmm, you can see this is our room is here is our room is ready. This is our wardrobe portion, so I will make a line. I will make after some time. So this door, we have to make door here. Just take an offset of 3 feet and trim it and copy this and make a mirror of it and move it from here to this point. You can see our door is ready. After making this door, I'm just going to make a door for storeroom. Firstly, we have to trim this extra points. And now I will just make a room for door for storeroom. So for this, just press on offset tool and make a offset of 3 feet and trim it and just copy this from here to here, then trim it. This is our storeroom. Now for the kitchen area, you can see our kitchen is totally open. So for kitchen, I will firstly make an slab of 2 feet from all side and make a fillet command. Use a fillet command to make this similar, and then I will take offset of 6 inches from here, 6 inches from here, and extend it, and then make a trim command, use trim command to trim this. You can see here is our kitchen which is ready like this. After kitchen opening, we can see we have to make some windows here, like from the puja or storeroom or from the kitchen. So for this, just I'm just going to make a 4 feet wide window from here. So for this, just take a offset of 2 feet from here, 2 feet from here, and now just trim these all lines, make a rectangle, and then you can see this is our window part. So after making a kitchen window, we have to make a storeroom window. So so for making storeroom window, I am just going to rotate this window and fit it here. So for this, just copy this from here to here, and now rotate RO, enter, and then click on the whole window and then click on this and rotate it, and now select it and just fit it from here. You can see our window part is ready. First, only we have to do just make this line shorter. You can also trim it, but I am just doing it here like this, just dragging it. After making a window, you can see here is our cutout. So for this, I am just going to make a cutout line here and here, and now I will match this property from here so that it can look like a hatching. After this, I will also made a line and match the property of it by the wall layer. Okay, so our this portion is also ready. Now only this part is left, kitchen and dining. So for kitchen and dining, you can see the similar window and door are created in the front of the area. So I will just do a copy of it. Just select this area and CO, enter, and then copy it. And yeah, now I will break this line, or you can also do a trim. So you can see this is our drawing room portion which is ready. So according to this plan, our whole window and door were marked here. Now we have to do just make a portions like this type of detailing we have to do, just match the property of this. After this we will do furniture layout. So for making furniture layout, you can download any furniture, bedroom furniture, or you can search Google or any architectural website, uh, like cadblock.com, etc., and download many of furniture of living room, bedroom, etc. Like I just make some, I will download, I always used to download some blocks from bed blocks and the living room furniture blocks from the Google, and I always make it a library. Like I'm showing you that I how I make my furniture library. I always make a different file, and I always put this keep this furnitures with myself, and whenever you have to use, I will just copy this furnitures and use on this type of plan. You can see here is different bed, TV cabinet, this all I used to download from the cadblock.com or different. There are many, so many type of websites are given on the Google. You can also download it from here. You have to just search a bedroom cat block, or living room cat block, residence cat block, and it will be appear on the upper side, and you can download it from there. So here I have some in my library, and I will show you that how can we place this it on our plan. So for this, firstly I will started from this room. So for this room, this is our bedroom. So for our bedroom, I'm just going to click here and copying it. So for copy this, just press on Control C and go to the your file and press Ctrl V. You can see this is our bedroom. Now I will just move it and place it in a center part. After placing it in a center part, I will just show a TV cabinet here. So for making TV cabinet, you can see how I also have a TV cabinet. So just copying it, Control C, enter, and go to that file and Control V. Now you can see this is from this side, I have to just mirror it. So for this I enter, and yes, now I will place it from somewhere here. So you can see my bedroom is ready. We have to just make a wardrobe area. So for making wardrobe area, I'm just cabinet, I will just make a wardrobe area. So for wardrobe area, I will just make a line, single line, and just I will just use some hangers to show that this is my wardrobe portion, and copy this. You can see our wardrobe portion is completed here. After this, I will just make my washroom. So for washroom, I will use WC. WC, just click here and Control C and go to the your file and Control V. Then I will see where is my wardrobe, sorry, washroom portion. So this is my washroom in the mid. From here, I'm just making an offset of 3 feet 6 inches. This is my shower area, which is, I think this is quite enough. This is of like this, and this is my glass partition. So I will just make it in a blue color. So for making blue color, you can make like this. And here my wash basin. So I will use this wash basin, just copy it and paste it. Similarly, I will copy this. Now copy this. You can see in this way you can make your toilet. Similarly, for a living room and drawing room, I will just copy my this dining table block and paste it here. So this will be dining table area, and then for the living room I will just copy this block and then copy it. Rotate this and mirror it for this side. Click on no, because I also want, I think, yeah. Now we have to just place a center table. For this, just copy a center table and place it here, and I'm just fitting it here. So here are drawing room, bedroom, toilet, and the dining room. All furnitures are setted. For this furniture, I will do similar work. So I'm just doing it as quickly as I can. So you can see our whole furniture is fitted in our plan. Now after fitting the furniture, we have to just make a uh, texting. So for making texting in this plan, uh, we have to press T, enter for text, and click on one point and the other point. And for I will just firstly I will write 10 feet wide, sorry, 10 feet dash 0 inches wide setback below, so that if anyone can see my plan, they can understand that uh, this is open in the upper ground floor. Now I will just make another text by clicking T, enter, and 5 feet dash 0 inches wide balcony. They can understand this is a balcony portion. After this, for this room I will make again layers. No, I will just copy it and just press it. Bedroom, this is of I don't remember this is of what dimension, so we have to also write dimension. Just editing in this tab, just double click on it and press enter in the lower size, and now I will just 10 feet dash 6 inches into 16 feet dash 0 inches. This is my bedroom size. I think this is na, yeah. So you can see this is my bedroom size. Now I will just make a copy of it and just make a toilet size, toilet, toilet, enter, and then 5 feet dash 0 inches into 8 feet dash 0 inches. This is my toilet. Now I will just copy this toilet portion here, because this is of same size, and here also this is actually of 9 feet wide, so I will just edit it as a 9 feet. After this I will just copy my bedroom uh, text and place all in all bedroom, and I will just do to change the dimension of it. So for changing dimension, this is of 14 feet 6 inches. You can see this bedroom is text is okay. Now I will just make another texting for the store or puja. So for this I will just write here store, store dash puja, puja, and make enter. Now I will just 6 feet into 7 feet maybe, yeah. This is of 6 feet, 6 feet dash 0 inches into 7 feet dash 0 inches. So you have to like a dimension like this, like if this is of only 6 feet, so you have to write 6 feet dash 0 inches. This is the right way to write any dimension. Now my this passage is 5 feet wide, so I will just copy one text and write here, and 5 feet dash 0 inches wide passage again, yeah. Now I will just rotate it, RO, enter, and press ortho. Always make sure that when you are rotating or mirroring, your ortho will be on. So yeah, this is my passage. After this I will just make a kitchen. So for this, just my kitchen dimension is, this is of 10 feet and this is of 12 feet 6 inches. I will just mark my drawing and dining room. This is my drawing come dining, so I will write it like this, DRAW. And now just place here dimension, which is I think 25 feet 6 inches into 17 feet 10 inches. 17 feet dash. So this in this way you can write your all the dimensions like this. After texting your drawing, you have to just make so after marking all these areas, we have to just make some dimensions, like we have to make sure that our upper dimensions is mentions or not, our setback is mentioned or not. After setback we have to just give our plot area dimensions like this. You can also press DLI enter for the dimensions. And yeah, that's it. This is the easiest way I think you can make your plan more clear. You have to just make sure that every line is trim, every wall is trimmed from everywhere. You have to just give dimensions of your plot line, and also you have to just mark all the area that which area is what. If I am just making this area, then I have to clear that it is a setback which is on ground floor. So I am writing here it as a setback below, and this is our balcony portions. So in this way you can make your ground floor plan. That's it for today's video. In my next part I will show you that how can we make section of this floor plan, or how can we make sections of lift or staircase lobby, and how can we make section of any residence if you are doing any college work, or if you are doing any internship period work. So for this, yeah, please like, share and subscribe my videos so that I can make more videos, more useful videos for you guys. Thank you very much.